Hola, me llamo Señor Adams. Today we're going to talk about the present perfect, or el presente perfecto. To form the present perfect tense, combine the present tense of the verb haber with a past participle. You generally use the Spanish present perfect in the same way you use its English equivalent. We haven't really learned the verb haber yet, so just bear with me until I get to the different forms, and you'll see what it's all about. In the first example, it says, No he reparado la bicicleta todavía, which means, I haven't repaired the bicycle yet. Next example, ¿Qué trabajos has tenido? What jobs have you had? Okay, here are the present perfect forms of hablar. So if we take the verb hablar, we can see these would be the forms using the present perfect. He hablado. Has hablado. Ha hablado. Hemos hablado. Habéis hablado. Han hablado. Okay, I know it looks a little weird, so let's just break it down. Recall that to form the past participle of a verb in Spanish, you add ado, ado, to the stem of AR verbs, and ido or ido to the stem of ER and IR verbs. For example, if you had the verb hablar, you have an AR verb, chop off the AR and add ado. For an ER verb, you would chop off the ER and add ido, comido. For IR, you chop off the IR and add ido again, bebido. So this would translate to comido would be eaten, and bebido would be lived. Okay. Verbs that have two vowels in the infinitive form, except for UI, require an accent mark on the letter I in the past participle. For example, if we have the verb caer, it would become caído, which means fallen. If we have the verb traer, it's traído, which is brought. Leer would be leído, which is read. Oír, oído, which is heard. Reír, reído, which is laughed. And creer, creído, is believed. Many Spanish verbs have irregular past participles. You have already learned some of these. Here are a few examples. Abrir, abierto, opened. Decir, dicho, said. Escribir, escrito, written. Morir, muerto, died. Poner, puesto, put. Resolver, resuelto, resolved. Romper, roto, broken. Ser sido, been. Ver visto, seen. And hacer hecho, which is done. Place negative words, objects, pronouns, and reflexive pronouns before the form of haber. For example, no he repartido las flores todavía. I have not delivered the flowers yet. Mi profesora me ha escrito una carta de recomendación. My professor has written me a letter of recommendation. El dueño se ha ido temprano a la oficina. The owner has left the office early. Okay, I hope you're starting to understand the present perfect a little better. Adios.